Morning YouTube. Today's breakfast, 2010 Honda Pilot right front axle. Some of you may wonder why your vehicle shakes or shudders on acceleration, primarily hard. You either got wiped out motor mounts and bad axles, or one or the other. And it's the inner joints that cause the shudder. So the tools required to do this job, if it's never been done, I'll take you through it. Once you get the wheel off, of course. 36 millimeter axle nut, 36 millimeter. I do it this way, 24 millimeter strut bolts, 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, okay? Disconnect them so you don't break anything. Push the axle through, lean everything back gently so you don't break anything. Don't mind the stress on this, it's not horrible. Once you get to that point, you have two 14 millimeters on that flange, which is here, 14 millimeters there. Depending on what part of the world you are in, you're going to also need a torch, a sledgehammer, or an air impact hammer with a long extension. And the reason why is because that hanger support gets seized. So you may have to heat it up, which I had to definitely heat it up. Get some heat on it, get it hot, hit it with a hammer and an extension or some type of pole, and then what you want to do is want to knock it in between here, and I go between this exhaust pipe, you can see the mark, so in between here. So I had to heat the hanger up. I use the acetylene, heat it up, and I use the pry bar and hammer, and I'm killing myself because it's still not moving. Then I said screw this, let's move on to a torch and the air chisel, and I was keeping heat on just the hanger, not the axle, and then I hit it with the air hammer and it slid right off. I did try lubricating it with some PD Blaster. It didn't penetrate, and I don't have time for all that. Yeah, so you want to play mechanic, huh? And you think $600, $800 an axle is sounds high? Shit. Try doing this yourself and see how much of a pain in the ass it really is. And I'm a pro with all the right tools and everything at my access. Did I miss anything? So let's recap. 36 millimeter, 24 millimeter, 12, a 10, 14 millimeters on the carrier bearing. And that should get you done, provided that no one's taken it apart and interchanged bolt heads and things of that nature. Good luck and thanks for watching.